In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Calendar view options with a simple and straightforward guide. Whether you're managing your schedule for work or personal life, having your calendar set up just the way you want can make all the difference. We'll start by navigating to Google Apps from your browser. Begin by visiting the Google homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a small grid icon at the top right of your screen. This is known as the App Launcher or Google Apps. Go ahead and click this icon and you'll see a range of tools that Google offers. Next, let's access your calendar. In the drop-down menu that appears, find the calendar icon and click on it. This action will automatically open Google Calendar for you in a new tab, making it quick and easy to get started. Now that we're on your calendar, our next step is to access the settings menu. If you look towards the upper right corner of your calendar screen, you'll spot a gear icon. This gear icon represents your settings menu. Let's click on that icon to proceed. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will appear with several options, and we need to dive a bit deeper into the settings. Click on Settings from the drop-down. This click-through will bring you to a more detailed view where you can make a variety of adjustments to your calendar. With the settings page open, shift your focus to the sidebar on the left. Here, you'll find a list of categories, but our focus will be on the General tab. Under this tab, you'll find an option called View Options. This is a crucial section as it lets you customize your calendar's layout according to your personal workflow. Upon finding the View options, you will notice a list of preferences. One of these preferences includes a checkbox labeled View Calendars Side by Side in Day View. By default, this may already be checked, showing your multiple calendars side by side on a single page. However, if this setup isn't working for you and you'd prefer to have them in separate sections, simply uncheck this box to adjust your view to your liking. Once you have made this change, you're essentially done with the setting steps. You can now enjoy a cleaner and more streamlined view of your Google Calendar, tailored just to your preference. Exit the settings page and you'll see the immediate impact of the choices you made. And there you have it. The process is quick and easy, yet these tweaks can significantly enhance your scheduling experience. Remember, small adjustments like these can lead to greater efficiency and smoother daily planning. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips on getting the most out of your digital tools.